Guys, in this video I will show you how to shorten links on Prime Link, how to use Prime Link features, and also provide information about pricing and more. So let's get started. Guys, go to the Prime Link, click on Dashboard. Here you will see I have total 35 links and 94 clicks. See that click graph with specific date. If you want to short your link, just put your link here and click shorten. Instantly you will get a nice and short link and a QR code for your link. You can simply download the QR code and send it to your friends or whoever you want, or you can copy the link and share directly. That's it guys. Here you can see all of my links. You can delete those links, or archive or export. If you want to know more guys, go to the Prime Link website. Here you will get all information, pricing details and much more. Prime Link has 3 plans: free, lifetime basic, and lifetime pro. Lifetime basic only for $59 and lifetime pro only $99. Choose your suitable one and enjoy. Guys, thank you so much. Would you kindly do me a massive favor? Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you next time.